Now, ito tanong to ng pangkaraniwang tao. Can the president rein in on the speaker?
Karen, it's a difficult. I mean, sometimes I text the president some unsolicited suggestions, but the speakership is one thing. It's so sensitive kasi baka mapag hinalaan ako na interesado lang ako sa posisyon ng speaker. So it's one thing na hindi ko siya makausap directly.
Were you ever a contender? I mean, set the record straight. I'm reading you were a contender. Albi Benitez was a contender. Were you making proactive moves to
No.
speaker?
You name me one congressman na kinausap ko. Ang nangyayari noon is because nga, of course, mahirap to. Kasi wala naman aamin. And I understand why. Because nga, papapunta tayo doon sa susunod, natakot sila doon sa mga soft, di ba? But right after the elections, Madam, even up to the last day, even up to Sunday, ang tanong, wala pa bang utos ang Malacanang? Wala bang pagbabago? You can ask Albi, you can ask Duke. Ganon lagi ang tanong. Wala pa bang order? Kami nag-iintay lang kami. Kasi that started nung nagpapapirma sila, di ba? Remember, right after elections, hindi pa tapos yung 19th Congress, nagpapirma sila, di ba? So, madami nagsasabi sa akin, boss, I guess ganun tawag namin sa Congress, boss, yung iba, pasensya na. Hindi, naiintindihan ko. Then there were two big groups na sabi, yung isa, bago nga pumirma, tumawag pa sa akin, papaalam muna kami. Walang problema, kasi alam naman natin sa Congress, kahit anong pirmahan mo dyan, wala naman, doesn't mean anything. You can change your mind tomorrow. And then yung isa, ayaw nga pumirma, ako pa nagsabi, pumirma na kayo, maiipit lang kayo dyan. And hindi naman style ko yung mangdamay, di ba? If I can stand for it. Naiintindihan ko naman yung sitwasyon ng bawat congressman, di ba? Siyempre, pag naipit sila, kawawa yung mga constituents sila, di ba? Hindi naman sila yung nakakawawa eh. Yung constituents sila yung nakakawawa eh. So naiintindihan, ako nagsasabi, pirma lang kayo. So up to the last day, madami nagtatanungan, wala pa bang go signal? Kasi alam naman natin, the most important vote for speaker is not inside Congress. There's only one. Di ba? Alam naman natin yan eh. So lahat nagtatanong, wala pa bang utos? Wala pa bang...
Wala.